Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, today we are going to start writing work of class 6 history chapter 2nd. Let's recall questions, okay? So student, at first we will see question number 2nd of chapter 2nd history, okay? And student, it's a second video of writing work of this chapter, all right? And the student second question is, look at the present day political map of the subcontinent on page 136. Find out the states where Bhimbetka, Hunsgi and Kurnool are located. Would Tusa's train have passed near any of these sites? So here students, what you have to do, you will do these questions yourself. I will give you some hints or some clues फॉर सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन. ऑल राइट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, आपको प्रेजेंट डे का पॉलिटिकल मैप बनाना है इंडिया का, सब कॉन्टिनेंट का, और उसमें आपको भीमबेटका, हुंस्की और कुर्नूल को लोकेट करना है, उनको प्लेस करना है. ऑल राइट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल टेल यू वेयर इज भीमबेटका. भीमबेटका इज इन एमपी, मध्य प्रदेश. तो आप इंडिया का मैप बनाएंगे, ओके और अगर आपके पास इंडिया का रेडीमेड मैप बना हुआ है, मैप का अगर आपके पास पिक्चर है, तो आप उसको भीमबेटका एमपी में लोकेट करेंगे. ऑल राइट. और एमपी कहाँ पर है? एज यू नो कि इंडिया के मैप का मिडिल जो पोर्शन है, मिडिल क्षेत्र जो है वो एमपी में आता है ना. एंड सेकेंड इज हुंस्की. हुंस्की इज इन कर्नाटका. हुंस्की को आप कर्नाटका यानी इंडिया के सदर्न पार्ट पर आप लोकेट करेंगे. एंड थर्ड वन कुर्नूल. कुर्नूल इज ऑल्सो इन सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ अवर इंडिया, और ये आंध्र प्रदेश में लोकेट करेंगे. ओके, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, भीमबेटका एमपी मध्य प्रदेश, हुंस्की कर्नाटका एंड कुर्नूल इज इन आंध्र प्रदेश. ऑल राइट स्टूडेंट्स, एंड एट लास्ट द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, वुड तुसास ट्रेन हैव पास नियर एनी ऑफ दीज साइट्स. क्या तुषार की ट्रेन इन क्षेत्रों से होकर गुजरी थी? सो यस, तुषार ट्रेन्स यू विल राइट आफ्टर लोकेशन ऑफ दिस प्लेसेस. सो यू विल राइट तुषार ट्रेन विल हैव टू पास बाय हुंस्गी एंड कुर्नूल. हुंस्गी एंड कुर्नूल. ऑल राइट स्टूडेंट्स, सो दिस क्वेश्चन you will do yourself. All right. And again I am telling you, Bhimbetka is in Madhya Pradesh, Hunsgi is in Karnataka, Kurnool is in, yes, Andhra Pradesh, and Tusa's train will have to pass by Hunsgi and Kurnool. All right students, so now third question we will write. Let's discuss. So students, write question number third. Okay, as always we will write question with black pen. Okay, so first you do heading, you will do heading, let's discuss. Let's discuss. Okay, and question number third. Question number third, and the question number third is, why did the hunter-gatherer GATHERERS hunter-gatherers travel travel from from place to place, from place to place. Okay, why did the hunter gatherers travel from place to place? And next, in what ways, in what, WHAT, in what ways are these, in what ways are these similar to, SIMILAR, similar to, different, DIFFERENT, different from, 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 The regions, the REASONS, the regions for which, WHICH, for which we travel, TRAVEL, for travel, today, TODAY, today. All right. So write down answer of this question. Question number 3rd. So students, here we have to write answer of this question, and the question is, why did the hunter gatherers travel from place to place? क्यों खाद्य संग्राहक एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान की यात्रा करते थे? इन वट वेज आर दी सिमिलर टू डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द रीजन्स फॉर विच वी ट्रैवल टुडे? और आज हम भी यात्रा करते हैं, आरंभिक मानव भी यात्रा करता था, तो क्या सिमिलरिटीज़ हैं और क्या डिफरेंस है हम लोगों की और आरंभिक मानव की यात्रा में? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो राइट डाउन there were, write down students, there were at least 4 to at least FOUR 4 to 5 reasons, 5 REASONS, 4 to 5 reasons why hunter gatherer, HUNTER, why hunter gatherer, GATHERERS, hunter gatherers moved, MOVED, moved from, FROM, moved from place, PLACE, place to place. Okay, there were at least 4 to 5 regions why hunter gatherers moved from place to place. Okay, so write down number 1 reason for it. Hunter gatherer moved from place to place to save plants and animal resources at those places. The first one, most important reason is that hunter gatherer, HUNTER, hunter gatherers, GATHERERS, hunter gatherers moved from, MOVED, moved from PLACE, place to place, PLACE, from place to place to save, SAVE, to save plant, PLANT, to plant, and animal, ANIMAL, and animal resources, RESOURCES, resources at those, THOSE, at those places, PLACES. Okay, so hunter gatherers moved from place to place to save plant and animal resources at those places. Number 2, animals, ANIMALS, animals moved from, animals moved from place to place, moved from place to place, either, 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 in search of, INSEARCH, in search of smaller, SMALLER, smaller prey, छोटे छोटे शिकार के लिए, prey, और in the case of, in the case of deer, D-E-E-R, deer, and wild cattle, W-I-L-D, wild, C-A-T-T-L-E, cattle, and wild cattle, in search of, S-E-A-R-C-H, in search of grass and leaves, grass and leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, in grass and leaves. That is why, okay, that is why those who hunted, those who hunted, that is why those who hunted them had to follow, F-O-L-L-O-W, follow them. Who hunted them too had to follow their, T-H-E-I-R, their movements, M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T-S, movements means animals' movements. Okay, now third one is that plants and trees bear fruit in different seasons. Okay, so people might have moved from season to season. So write down, plants and trees bear, B-E-A-R, bear fruit, F-R-U-I-T, bear fruit in different season, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different seasons, S-E-A-S-O-N-S, different seasons. So people, P-E-O-P-L-E, so people might have, M-I-G-H-T, might have moved, M-O-V-E-D, might have moved from season to season, S-E-A-S-O-N, season to season, S-E-A-S-O-N, in search, S-E-A-R-C-H, in search of different types of fruits, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different, T-Y-P-E, different types of fruits. Okay, so plants and trees bear fruit in different seasons. All right, and so people might have moved from season to season in search of different types of fruits. All right, now the fourth reason. All right, people may have traveled to, fourth one, people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people may had traveled, T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-D, traveled to meet their friends, to meet their, T-H-E-I-R, their, to meet their friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, meet their friends and relatives, R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E-S, meets and relatives. They hunter-gatherers. Okay, they traveled on, they who traveled. Okay, they who hunter-gatherer, H-U-N-T-E-R, hunter-gatherer, G-A-T-H-E-R-E-R-S, hunter-gatherers traveled on, T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-D, traveled on foot, or on sledge, or on sledge. Sledge means गाड़ी, okay, और sledge हाथ गाड़ी को बोलते हैं sledge. Cart without wheels, okay. Sledge means cart without wheel, okay. Cart without wheels, all right. And the second part, B part, is that in the following ways people may travel in similar region. ये तो different regions थे, अब हम similar regions लिखेंगे. B portion, in the following ways people may travel travel, travel in similar, similar, similar regions, reasons, okay. So in the following ways people travel in similar region. And what's the similar region? First one, in search of employment or food people have to move from one place to another, okay. आरंभिक मानव, जो आदि मानव थे, वे ट्रैवल करते थे फूड के लिए, और जो अभी हम लोग हैं, मॉडर्न मैन हैं, वे ट्रैवल करते हैं एम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए. और हम एम्प्लॉयमेंट में हम क्यों हैं, हम क्यों एम्प्लॉय हैं, हम भी अपने फूड के लिए ही एम्प्लॉय हैं, okay. So same similar reasons, so write down. First one, in search of, INSEARCH, in search of employment, EMPLOYMENT, in search of employment, or we can say food. employment हमारे food के लिए तो होता है, और food people have to, PEOPLE, people have to, HAVE, have to move from, FROM, move from one place to another, one place to another, okay. ANOTHER, in search of employment or food people have to move from one place to another. And second point is that due to shortage of land, due to SHORTAGE, due to shortage of land, raw material, RAW, raw material, MATERIAL, raw material, and means of, okay, raw material, okay. Due to shortage of land, raw material, and means of transportation, okay. And means of transportations, sources of energy, SOURCES, sources of energy, ENERGY, sources of energy, okay. Or you can say power, capital, 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 etc., okay. And the people have to move, the people, PEOPLE, the people have, HAVE, have to move, people have to move from one place to another, from one place, PLACE, one place to another, ANOTHER, one place to another. Alright, so due to shortage of land, raw material, means of transportation, sources of energy, capital, etc., the people have to move from one place to another. And third point, students, is that people of some areas people of some areas people of some areas or regions, or regions, or regions have to move, have to move with their animals, with their animals in search of grass, in search of grass, grass, in search of grass, or for their for their own protection, protection, protection due to adverse, due to adverse season, season, और natural calamities, okay, दैवीय आपदाएं और natural calamities, calamities, natural calamities like flood, drought or earthquake, etc. All right, students. And the C part of this question, in the following ways the people move or travel differently from the regions nowadays. So write down C. In the following ways, in the following ways, the people move or travel, okay, the people people, the people, move or travel, the people move or travel differently, differently from the regions, means from one place to another, from the regions, from the regions nowadays. कैसे different है, okay, nowadays, ओके. अब स्टूडेंट्स हमें लिखना है कि आरंभिक मानव और आधुनिक मानव का जो ट्रैवल था वो किस तरीके से अलग था, ओके. इससे पहले हमने सिमिलरिटीज़ लिखी, अब हम इसके डिफरेंट लिखेंगे, ओके. क्या डिफरेंसेस थे? सो फर्स्ट वन, द पीपल nowadays, the people nowadays, okay, the people nowadays travel from travel, travel from one place to another, one place to another, one place to another, okay, by bus, train or aeroplane, okay, bus, train, aeroplane, aeroplane or car, etc. all right, aeroplane or car, etc. all right. And the second, generally they do not like to give up their place due to shortage of water. So second, generally, generally, generally they do not like to give up like to give up their place, place, their place, due to shortage of water, shortage, shortage of water, or change of season, okay, or change, or change of season, seasons, change of seasons. Rather, they arrange water through regular supply of water, and they use electronic means, okay, according to season. Alright, generally they do not like to give up their place due to shortage of water or change of season. Rather, they arrange water, arrange, arrange water. Rather, they arrange water through, through regular supply of water, regular, regular supply of water, water, and they use electronic means, electronic means, electronic means, according to season, okay, according to season, according to seasons. All right, now next question, students. So write down question number 4th. Okay, so at first we will read question number 4. What tools would you use today for cutting fruits? What would they be made of? आज आप लोग फ्रूट्स को काटने के लिए कौन से औजार का इस्तेमाल करते हैं और वे किस चीज़ के बने रहते हैं? आरंभिक मानव तो किसका इस्तेमाल करते थे? पत्थरों से बने हुए औजारों का. ओके, सो नाउअडेज विच टूल्स वुड यू यूज? सो राइट डाउन स्टूडेंट्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ओके, एंड द क्वेश्चन 4 इज what tools, what tools, TOOLS, what tools would you use today? WOULD, would you, YOU, would you use today? What tools would you use today for cutting fruits? CUTTING, for cutting fruits. FRUITS, for cutting fruits. Okay, and what would they be made of? And what would, WOULD, what would they be? THEY, they be, MADE, they be made of. All right, students, so interesting and easy answer of this question. Yes, हम आजकल किसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं? Yes, obviously नाइफ का हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, है ना. नाइफ का, कटर का, डैगर का, स्पून, फोक, मशीन, ये सब हम कटिंग फ्रूट्स करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. और ये जनरली किसके बने रहते हैं? कॉपर, ब्रॉन्ज, आयरन, स्टील, एक्सेट्रा. ऑल राइट, सो राइट डाउन. वी विल यूज़ नाइफ, चाकू, ओके, कटर, फ्रूट कटर जो होता है, कटर, डैगर, DAGGER, डैगर, स्पून, डिफरेंट टाइप की स्पून होती हैं जो हम फ्रूट्स कट करने के लिए, खाने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, फोक, कांटे का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मशीन्स नाउअडेज अवेलेबल फॉर चॉपिंग और कटिंग फ्रूट्स. ओके, मशीन एक्सेट्रा फॉर cutting, cutting, for cutting fruits, fruits, fruits. Okay, and second one is that what would they may be made of. Okay, so what you will say, they would be made, made, they would be made of different, different, different metals, metals, different metals like copper, copper, like copper, bronze, 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 iron, steel, etc. Okay, so they would be made of different metals like copper, bronze, iron, steel, etc. All right, students, so this question is finished now, and today class is over, students. Tomorrow I will be back again with next question answer from question number 5. Okay, so tomorrow I will be back. Stay happy, take care, students. Bye bye.